On Monday, Grand Haven City Council voted to begin the process of launching an independent investigation into alleged misconduct at the Board of Light and Power.
Yeah, the community-owned utility company is accused of trying to evade a Freedom of Information Act request by deleting emails. Michael Martin has the latest on the situation.
A resolution to seek an independent investigation into whistleblower allegations concerning the Board of Light and Power.
At Grand Haven City Council Monday, commissioners approved a resolution to launch an independent investigation into the Board of Light and Power, often referred to as the BLP.
To conduct an investigation into all whistleblower allegations and possible violations of Michigan election law by the BLP.
According to Commissioner Ryan Cummins, a BLP employee came forward to the city attorney with a whistleblower allegation, accusing the utility provider of deleting relevant emails after receiving a Freedom of Information Act request.
It's clear based on some of the allegations that some members of the BLP board could be involved, which is why it is inappropriate for the BLP board to investigate themselves.
In addition, they accused the BLP of potentially violating state election law by making, quote, false and misleading statements to its employees regarding a proposed amendment to the city charter that is set to be on the ballot in November.
The BLP is a department of our city government. They are part of our team. If any department does wrong, that reflects poorly upon this city government and, frankly, our community.
The proposed amendment to the city charter would do away with the 5-person BLP governing board and move management to the city directly under the city manager. The BLP has been distributing letters and a video presentation online.
So right now, there's been misinformation put out to the public to convince them that dissolving the Board of Light and Power is a good idea. Some of the statements made to justify the proposal are verifiably not true.
While the City Council did not specify what claims are potentially in violation with state law, they did approve the motion to move ahead with an independent investigation, despite protests from BLP board members in attendance.
Given the fact that 3 of you sitting up there have signed a petition to dissolve the BLP, this raises concerns regarding your voting on BLP matters.
The Board of Light and Power will appropriately be placing this issue on the September 28th agenda, and I ask City Council and our public to support our open and transparent review of this matter at this time. This is exactly what the board was elected to do.
Commissioner Cummins said Wednesday that they will release the results of the investigation publicly once it wraps up. Some community members in attendance agreed with the steps taken.
Evidence tampering and witness intimidation can compromise any investigation. Therefore, I would strongly urge that the BLP not conduct their own separate investigation. Since they do not know who the possible offender or offenders are, it would be impossible for the BLP to conduct their own investigation.
Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.